Double time, soldier. I want this ice fishing operation up and running by 0800 hours. Old maggot.
Ow!
Thick and blue, tried and true. Thin and crispy, way too risky.
Shows what you know. Crispy doesn't even rhyme with risky. I love ice fishing.
Live bait. Get your live bait here.
Whoa!
If I understand ice fishing, and I'm pretty sure I don't, we'll need to laser blast a hole in the ice.
No crazy technology. Here, Bender, use your immense robot strength to drill a hole the old-fashioned way.
Hot cocoa break.
Cocoa is for yodeling babies. If you're sober, it isn't ice fishing.
Woo! Down at the 35!
I'm really sick.
Huh? Oh, sorry. 109. We'll check it again at halftime.
Here's your homework, you lucky knob.
And with a little more luck from my 7-leaf clover, I might get sick enough to miss the whole semester.
Hey, give me that!
Oh, come on. No! Nerd Search 88? What's this?
Some stupid science contest for smartwads. NASA's gonna pick one kid's experiment to launch into space.
Yeah, well, I'll show you and Mr. Bananas. Anyway, I've got nothing better to do while I'm sick in bed. Wait, that's it! I feel awful, but it was worth it to catch and kill this baby fish.
Schmeez, what's with the schmiffling?
It's nothing. Just a common cold. A common cold? No! No! Ever since Fry first came to us, I've lived in mortal terror that this would happen.
I never heard you mention that.
You are hereby quarantined until such time as it is deemed safe to enter and shoot your asses.
It'll be gone as fast as I can sneeze, hurl, and squirt it out. No, it won't! The common cold died out 500 years ago, and subsequently, humanity lost all resistance to its ravages.
Give it to us straight, Professor. How incredibly deadly is it?
We don't know. It could kill millions or nobody. I suppose it might even bring a few people back to life.
And I've got a hankering for a useless remedy created by a school teacher.
I'm out of here.
Initiate containment procedure.
Oh! Ah! Ow! Oh!
Go on now.
I'd be remiss if I didn't rub your goopy noses in the fact that I'm immune.
Which is why we'll all be counting on you and you alone to nurse us through this catastrophe. Everyone just calm down and make yourself a tissue walrus.
Damn it, son, lose the tissues. You're ruining Thanksgiving dinner.
Hey, Barack, pizza going out. Come on!
Man, I've got to go back to law school.
I'm not gonna wind up a loser like that guy.
Sure you will.
Shoot!
Ew!
I've had worse. When I was shot down over Korea, I had to eat kimchi. Coming! What now?
Humidifier.
The fever, the chills, and the sweating. Amy's horrible sweating.
How's the containment holding up?
Without turning my head, I'd say 100%.
Put her there. You too, buddy. And you, and you, and you, and especially you.
Well, if it isn't Grandmaster Flem. I heard you're entering the NASA science competition.
I'm gonna infect my guinea pig with the common cold and launch it into space to see if it gets cured by cosmic rays. We'll show him who's stupid.
Linda?
Borbo, the so-called common cold, introduced by living fossil Philip J. Fry, is spreading out of control.
The situation is expected to deteriorate as newscasters whip the city into a panic. Run! Run for your lives!
Get in there!
Oh, it's bright out here.
Wernstrom, the quarantine has failed. Give me a worst-case scenario, and make it grim.
And in 36 hours, it will have infected the entire planet.
Options? We have only one option. Protocol 62. Not possible. We don't have nearly enough piranhas.
Hooray! They're letting us out!
And hundreds of black hovercopters are coming to welcome us.
They shrink-wrapped the whole city! Well, it could be worse.
They're flying Manhattan into the sun. They must have been out of piranhas.
They're gonna kill the virus by exposing it to the heat of our burning bodies!
Guys, you're never gonna believe this.
We know. They schmooped up Manhattan and blasted us toward the sun.
They did?
No doctor likes hurling his patients into the sun, but since there is no way to make a vaccine for the common cold...
There is a way to make a vaccine. The vaccine requires the original, unmutated 20th century cold virus. So I need to grind you into a paste.
Professor, no!
Many of these entries merit a ride in the mighty bosom of our space shuttle. And then there's your so-called entry.
My experiment measures the effect of microgravity on the propagation of the common cold virus in an anaerobic environment, i.e. space. Impressed?
Hey, wait a second. I know where you can get some 20th century cold virus without killing me.
Captain, a ship is attempting to break the quarantine.
Oops. Aha! That satellite was scuttled on Enceladus, Saturn's main dump moon.
This is the exact location of the dump, but there's nothing here.
Can we please go home and die now?
I'm with Bender. Whatever was here has been covered by centuries of ice buildup.
I found the satellite!
He walked on the moon, and now he is judging a high school science contest. Truly a man who can and will do anything, Dr. Buzz Aldrin.
But seriously, there are moon men. And now, the grand prize winner whose experiment will be launched into space. Josh Gedgie!
I'll bring the car around.
What a well-prepared virus culture. This'll make a fine vaccine. Good thing Gedgie won. Come on, gang. Let's go inoculate everyone and cram Manhattan back into its rightful hole.
You saved millions of lives, Fry. You should feel proud, no matter what your dad said to you.
Look, son, I know I give you the business sometimes, but if I'm hard on you, it's only 'cause I want you to grow up strong and resilient. I love you, son. Mom on deck! 10! Oh!
Stop gaining knowledge, Hubert. It's a simple mission. The grunts catch the alien, the surgeon guts it, and you smuggle the poison parts back here. Hubert, meet John Zoidberg. You need an alien hacked to pieces, he's the best there is. In the budget category.
You two aren't up to anything unethical, are you?
Relax. There's nothing unethical about covert biological weapons research. I said relax!
Oh.
Once and for all, Fry, even though it's the future, most objects are still just objects, not aliens who look like objects.
I prescribe acupuncture. Let's begin. Blood? Put it back in me!
I'm afraid Fry lost a lot of juice. He's developed Simpson's jaundice. You may feel a slight sawing. And all we need is a little spine supplement to replace what Leela lost in that unavoidable saw mix-up.
My body rejected your liver, and now I've got Garfield syndrome. Oh, I hate Mondays.
Anyhow, Hermes, all Leela needs is one of your vertebrae. There you go, Leela. Good as new.
Oh, sure, Leela's fine, but my jaundice has progressed to Muppet gangrene. Oh, yeah, I got news for you. I'm not staying like this. You're the doctor.
But don't worry. We still have 3 or 4 co-workers with plenty of spare parts.
Oh, why, you're just a big kid, aren't you, Zoidberg?
A very big kid.
We're over the drop zone, gentlemen.
Oh, so anyway, I hope the men have been taking their hypermalaria pills.
Their what?
Their what?
My God, I've never seen such a gruesome shark attack, especially this far inland.
It wasn't a shark. It was an awful, incompetent doctor.
You'll all get through this. I give you my word as a real doctor.
What about me?
What did he do to you?
I don't know exactly, but I'm incontinent.
I'm truly sorry.
How bad is it, Doctor?
Super bad. It's Tritonian hypermalaria. A lot of these men will be dead within 24 hours. It can kill immediately, or lie dormant for decades. But sooner or later, it erupts, causing fever, spasms, madness, coma, and finally, death.
I'll be in the swamp blowing the smirk off a toxic yeti.
We've had it with Zoidberg. We demand you fire him.
Nonsense. Zoidberg's a fine physician. For aliens, your mistake is being humans.
Thanks to Dr. Scissorhands, I wet myself every time I laugh. It's not funny.
What does he have on you? Why have you kept him around all these years when he's so grossly incompetent?
Long ago, Zoidberg and I entered into a secret arrangement. Zoidberg? Look, Zoidberg, you're a loyal friend.
Friend?
But I'm doomed. I might as well capture a yeti and die trying.
Then you'll need someone to dissect it. Friend? Crunch all you want. I'll make more.
Zoidberg, I'm sorry to break it to you this way, but we hate you and we never want to see you again.
We don't know why the professor keeps you around here, and we don't care. You're a terrible doctor. The time has come, my friend. We have to talk about our arrangement.
Oh, no.
I saw this in a Tarzan movie. It was called Tarzan versus the Yetis. John, are you all right? I don't want to die like those Marines, John. The fever, the madness.
Don't forget the spasms, coma, and death.
I don't want to go through that. I want you to kill me. So stay with me until the symptoms start. Then put me out of my misery. You must swear.
All right, Hubert. I swear.
It's time for you to keep your promise and kill me.
This is very difficult, but I'll try, friend.
I do want you to kill me, but I mustn't see it coming. That would be agony. So you must murder me completely by surprise.
As God is my witness, you can count on me. You're making a mistake. I was only trying to kill the professor. I'm sorry. What? He doesn't have hair. Great little Caesar's ghost.
I asked Zoidberg to kill me. Bring him quickly.
Should've known better than to store my antiques in the office.
Oh no, he's sand-crabbed out.
Then we have no choice. We'll have to mercy kill the professor ourselves.
This creature tried to sand crab into the building.
Zoidberg?
Sorry I didn't call first, Carol. But I'm in a hurry. I need your help to save Hubert.
John Zoidberg. It's been a long time. How have you been?
Not too bad. Last year I took a bus trip to the Grand Canyon. Later I'll show you the pictures. I can cure him. But I need the thing. The thing from Triton.
It'll cost you, John. How much are you worth now?
I live in a dumpster.
Okay, Myrtleator's finished.
Which is why we're each going to add 1 drop of cyanide to the death wheel as it goes by.
Kill check 1 is go!
Kill check 2 is go!
Vegetables activated.
Also, the salad's ready.
Yay!
What the hell are you doing?
Zoidberg, we know about your secret agreement.
He doesn't have hypermalaria, you idiots. He has Yetiism. When he saved my life all those years ago, he was scratched by a Yeti. Wow! Hold him down while I prepare the antidote. Now, who's getting his pineal gland extracted? Ah, yes. This contains a concentrated form of the Yeti neurotoxin.
My God, he's like some kind of believable Hulk. You did it, Johnny! I'm cured!